Okay, hey y'all, it's my first time doing a voiceover, so we're gonna see how this goes. Got our little bottle. First, we're going to put cinnamon sticks in the bottle that we're using. Make sure the cinnamon sticks are not expired and, of course, fit in your bottle. Next, you are going to take your dried rose petals, and I prefer to crush them up to increase the surface area and just really make better use of what you have. So now I'm just going to take all the time in the world to crush those up. It really doesn't take that much time, but they, of course, smell amazing. And we are going to put those dried rose petals within that bottle. And of course, that was the hardest part because everything wanted to waste everywhere and my nails wanted to get in the way. So I just went ahead and sped up this part of the video. So have fun with that. Now I'm going to put in the ginger. Now, the fun part about ginger is that it is antioxidant, so it's going to keep a lot of that bacteria away. Now, with that cinnamon, it's going to, like I like to say, liven up your skin. And with the rose oil, it's great for fragrance, of course. It's a very natural fragrance. So I sped up this portion of the video as well because it took some time for me to do. And now I'm just cleaning up the bottle. And of course, you can see my mama in the background. Now you just see in the bottle. And we're going to keep on moving. Now I'm going to go in with my oils. First, I have avocado oil. This is great for moisturization and locking in that moisture. I'm going to put in more details regarding the oils in the description box. So please read that description box so you have a great idea of what all of these oils, capabilities, and amazing quote unquote features are. Next, jojoba oil. I love this oil so much. It's great for moisturization. I actually have fairly dry skin currently on my forearm, and I'm working to really get rid of that. So that's why I wanted to put that jojoba oil in there, and it's great at locking in the moisture and having longevity of the moisture. Now there's grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a fairly inexpensive oil, of course, focused in moisturization yet again. I'm focused on moisturization. This shower oil can be used on your skin and or your body. So that's why I really want to focus on moisturization. Moving forward, let's see what oil we're going to have next. It's probably going to be my almond oil because I didn't open it. So I had to go open up that bottle. But with that almond oil, it's just going to be great moisturization yet again. So we're going to go in and fill up almost the rest of the bottle with that specific oil. Now we're going to go in with some more natural fragrance, and it's called rose oil. This is a very light and dainty fragrance that smells absolutely amazing. And since I have sensitive skin, I don't really go for very harsh or strong fragrances. I think when I went through this, the pipette was filling up the bottle too slow, so I just went ahead and poured everything in the faster way. And there is the finished product. And of course, I have a little bubble of air at the top so I can make sure that that rose oil gets any and everywhere, as well as making sure that that ginger can dissolve in this oil batch. Now, before I put that ginger in there, I did my best to research about regarding putting that ginger oil in there, because my huge worry was whether or not that ginger would dissolve. And yes, it will dissolve within the oil so that it can be well dispersed within there, so it can truly, your skin and hair can truly reap the benefits from that ginger. Have to move everything out the way, but now go on and shake what your mama gave you. So go ahead and shake until everything is dissolved within the bottle. And then, of course, the longer that those cinnamon sticks sit in there, the better, the more those products are going to get in there. Now I'm just showing you the current state of my skin. I currently don't have the best camera in the world, so you can't really see everything, but I'm just putting a little bit of water on my skin to kind of signify me showering so that you can see the moisture on the skin. And this is the method in which you would use the oil. Your skin would be wet, and of course the water would have gone into your skin, and you would use that shower oil after you have showered so that the moisture from the water can be locked into your skin for a long period of time. So now you can see my skin is smooth, soft if you could feel it, and has a great sheen. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Bye-bye.